Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we have discussed about the equatorial climatic region. Today, we are going to learn about another climatic region, dry sandy stretches. Students, can you identify these regions? Yes, you are right. These are deserts. Do you know what is a desert? A large dry barren region because of little rainfall. These regions usually have sandy soil and little or no vegetation. The hot deserts are located along the western margins of the continents on the both hemispheres between 20 degree and 30 degree latitudes. See, these are the inhabitants of the hot deserts. The aboriginal tribes of Kalahari is known as Bushmen. Tuareg people of Western Sahara, Bedouins of Arabian deserts. The inhabitants of the hot deserts spread over the different continents of the world. The lifestyle of these groups is in accordance with the climatic characteristics of these regions. Do you know the common climatic characteristics of hot deserts? The day temperature is very high, but nights are very cool here. Summers are very hot, but very low temperature is experienced in winters. The amount of rainfall is very less here. Cacti, acacia, etc. form the common vegetation in these dry lands with very high temperature and dry winds. The cacti have no leaves, only fleshy stem. Most species of the cacti have lost their true leaves, retaining only spines, which are highly modified leaves. The spines help to prevent water loss by breaking the effects of the wind. In the absence of leaves, enlarged stems carry out photosynthesis. A few species of animals adapted to the physical conditions of the hot deserts are seen here. Camels, donkeys, horses, foxes, snakes, scorpions, lizards, etc. form the fauna here. Hunting and cattle rearing is the major livelihood of the aboriginal tribes of the hot deserts. Meat, milk, millets, dates, etc. form their diet. Permanent settlements are found only around oases in hot deserts. Do you know what is oasis? Oases are the places where water is available in hot deserts. Plants, animals, and human habitations are largely concentrated in and around these water bodies. Agriculture is sparse in hot deserts. Do you know why? The amount of rainfall is very less in hot deserts. Due to the high temperature, dry winds, and scarcity of water, agriculture is very difficult here. Okay students, that's all for today. We will continue this topic in the next class. If you have any doubt from these topics, you can ask me. Have a nice day. Thank you.